Hey everyone, I am K.Harshith. In my previous video, I have explained how to balance an equation with the help of ion-electron method. So now in this video, we will do some examples based on that method. Okay. The first example that we have is MnO4 minus plus SO2 in the presence of acidic medium. When they are giving you H plus, you should understand that it's in the presence of the acidic medium is giving Mn plus 2 and HSO4 minus 1. Now, so I'm condensing these steps very short. Okay. So the first step is to identify which is oxidation reaction and which is reduction reaction. How to do it? MnO4 charge of Mn we need. Okay, charge of Mn we need. Okay, oxygen charge is minus 2, 4 are there, so 4 into minus 2 will give you minus 8. Minus 8 going on that side will become plus 8. Plus 8 total charge is minus 1, plus 8 minus will give me plus 7. So plus 7 is the charge for Mn. That's it. Coming to SO2. Now here 2 2 into minus 2 will give me minus 4. Minus 4 going on the other side becomes plus 4. There is 0, so plus 4 is the charge for sulfur here. Mn we already know that it's plus 2, and HSO4 hydrogen is 1. We know that. Coming to sulfur, hydrogen is 1 plus x plus 4 into 2 will give me minus 8. I will do for this HSO4 because it's a bit new for us. Okay, so HSO4 minus 1, H is 1, S is x, 4 into minus 2 which is minus 1, x plus 4 2s are minus 8 plus 1 is minus 1, x minus 7 minus 1, x is equals to minus 1 plus 7, x is equals to 6. So sulfur charge is plus 6. That's it. So this is how we can quickly find out the oxidation number and the reduction number for the elements. Coming to this, which is undergoing reduction, which is undergoing oxidation. Mn plus 7, Mn plus 2 means, can I say this is undergoing reduction? Coming to this, plus 4 to plus 6 increase. So can I say oxidation? Yes, right. Now separate reduction half, oxidation half. Write down the equation, reduction equation. MnO4 minus gives rise to Mn plus 2. Now first basic step is what? Balancing the elements other than hydrogen and oxygen. So element other than hydrogen and oxygen present with us is manganese, Mn. Mn is already balanced, here one, done. Coming to next is oxygen. 4 oxygens present. So for balancing, I am adding 4H2 on the lacking side. 4H2 on the lacking side. Next, oxygen is balanced. Coming to H plus. 4 2s are 8. 8 hydrogens are required. MnO4 minus plus 8H plus gives Mn plus 2 plus 4H2O. Done. Hydrogen is also balanced. Now coming to the charges. Here minus 1 plus 8. How much? Minus 7. Here plus 2. Minus 7 plus 2. Where you will add electrons? Now here this is plus 7. Okay. Next plus 2. So where I should add the electrons? Here if I add 5 electrons, 7 minus 5 will give me 2. 2 will be equal. So 5 electrons are required on the reactant side. So what I will do? I am adding 5 electrons here. That's it. Coming to, now this is done. We have balanced element other than hydrogen, oxygen. We have balanced oxygen. We have balanced hydrogen. We have balanced the charges. Now what is left? Oxidation is left. Similarly, even for oxidation, SO2 is changing to, okay, SO2 changes to HSO4 minus 1. Okay, now here we have the balance other than hydrogen oxygen. One s balance. Next coming to oxygen, two oxygens, four oxygens. Here lacking SO2 plus how many? Two, can I say? Two hydrogen molecules. HSO4 minus 1. Yes. Coming to this. Two twos are 4. 4 H plus ions are required. But here you have already one. You should be very careful when we are having hydrogen element present in the reaction. We need to be very careful. Here you require 4 hydrogen atoms here. But already one is present. So what I will do, 2H2O gives HSO4 minus plus 3H plus. That's it. Plus 3H plus. Coming to next. Balance the charges. SO2 is 0, H2O is 0, which is giving rise to minus 1 plus 3, which is plus 2. Plus 2 side I am adding 2 electrons, which is giving me 0. So can I say 2 electrons are on the need on the product side? Yes. So I will add 2 electrons here. That's it. This is the second equation. This is the first equation. Now, what's the next step? We need to balance the electrons so that they are getting cancelled. So for balancing, can I say for the first equation, if I multiply by 2, 5 twos are 10 electrons I get. And the second equation, if I multiply by 5, 2 fives are 10 I get. Yes, can I say that? Here I multiply with the 5, the whole equation. Why? 5 twos are 10 electrons. Here the whole equation with the 2, 5 twos are 10 electrons. They are getting cancelled. So first equation with the 2. So can I say 2MnO4 minus 2 8s are 16H plus gives plus, or help it here, plus 5 twos are 10 electrons gives 2Mn plus 2 plus 4 twos are 8H2O. That's it. Coming to this. 5SO2, 5 twos are 10 H2O gives 5 HSO4 minus plus 5 threes are 15 H plus 5 twos are 10 electrons. This is the final equation that we get after multiplying with the 2 and 5 respectively. Now here 10, 10 cancelled. Odd one, 2MnO4, 5S2, 5SO2. So 2MnO4 minus 5SO2. 16H plus here, 15H plus here. One is lacking on this side. So this side you add 1H plus. Gives rise to here 5H2SO4. These both are odd one. So 2Mn plus 2, 5HSO4 minus. Okay. Next, H plus is already gone. Coming to H2O. Here again H2O. Here more amount of H2O is present. So can I say here plus 2H2O, can I say? On the reactant side only. Why? 10H2O here, 8H2O here. Here more. So here 2H2O. Now check how to check. 2 into minus 1 will give me minus 2 plus minus 2 plus, yeah, then 0 plus 1, which is nothing but the minus 1. Coming to this, 2 twos are 4 minus 5, which is equal to minus 1. Both are balanced. We got the same charge. This is the minus 1 and the minus 1. So both are balanced. Means this equation is the correct equation. So this is how we can do the balancing of equation with the help of ion electron method in this manner. Now let us check for the second example of the same thing. So the second example that we will check in our next video. So we will be dealing with the next certain examples and then how to balance the equation in the basic medium. This we have done in the acidic media. There is the presence of the H plus ions. In the next we will see presence of the OH minus ions, and then that's the basic medium, and then we will do further more examples based on the ion electron method. So I hope you understood how to solve the examples within a short form. So you may search for the examples in the or I will post some examples in the description. You may solve those examples and you may practice them. So thank you everyone. I hope you have enjoyed today's class.